Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can split your documents on Adobe Acrobat into several pages. So let us guide you through this. So open up your PDF document on Adobe Acrobat. After that, navigate to Edit here in the top left. Next, expand the Organize Pages menu to the left. And you would see your document as a preview here. For example, that document features only one page, so I probably can't split it, but let's assume your document features or is longer than one page. In this case, click into Split here, select the number of pages. For example, under Split by, file size, top level, bookmarks. I will go with number of pages, select the number of pages you would like to have for the splitting. And you may do that also for multiple files, select the output options. And yeah, do a file labeling here, for example, user label. Adjust the separator between the label and the name and not overwrite existing files and so on and so forth. So go with that, and after that click into split. Now as you can see, that document, as previously mentioned, doesn't meet these requirements, but if you have a larger document you can do that. As you can see, it must have at least 2 pages, and that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.